Good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're making a floral garden for this ceremony. The flowers that we have used are roses and aster. Visit our shop, Dangwa Flowers by Clint Carl, at the description box below. This is how we made the floral arch. An arch is for the entrance. Stay tuned how it looks like. Please consider to like and subscribe my YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you. This church is in Hinulyagang, Taktak Antipolo, the parish of the Immaculate Heart of Mary. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.